I got the CV subsidiary,
Okay.
and that's really like unexpected. It was surprise for me. So I was really happy with College Vidya to enroll my PG and pursue my post graduation in MBA. So this is my experience.
Okay.
I'm Vani from Hyderabad. So I'm in search of a good college for my upskilling, like to PG. So I found a one-stop destination for all my queries. That is College Vidya. So initially, I was very much worried about the comparison of rates or else anything.
Mm.
But it's really helpful for me to like compare the college in terms of the accreditations or else NAC certifications or else whatever. I have got a clear understanding about the weightage of the college to college, and it's very much helpful for me in choosing the college, because I was so much confused and very much worried about choosing one college, because it's like multiple colleges are appearing in the Google when
Yeah.
I searched. So College Vidya is one platform like where it helps. I know many of the candidates like me who are like not aware of the other locality colleges,
Yeah.
because I am basically from Hyderabad, so I
Mm.
am aware about the local colleges near to me. But I had a desire to pursue my post graduation in a different college.
Yeah.
So I cannot go and there go to the location and inquire about that. So I found College Vidya is really helpful for me in terms of this by explaining each and everything,
Yeah.
and the team is really friendly, and they help me with a lot of patience. And almost took 3 to 4 days to take one decision,
Uh,
but there is no rush, so they explained me everything.
mm.
And in terms of the payment also, I got the CV subsidiary,
Okay.
and that's really like unexpected. It was surprise for me. So I was really happy with College Vidya to enroll my PG and pursue my post graduation in MBA. So this is my experience.
Okay. How many universities did you compare before coming to LPU as your perfect
I
university option?
Yes, I compared actually tier one and tier two, like that, almost 8 colleges.
Okay.
So I had a qualification, and it was shown 4 colleges at one time. So
Mm.
I have compared them, and I was not conformed with one decision. So I compared next set of colleges.
Okay.
And with the help of the counselor, I have chosen 1 or 3 colleges. Finally, I filtered myself,
Uh,
and finally I've chosen LPU, because
what,
this is a search. As a student, as a working woman, I have many calculations in my mind in
mm,
terms of the certifications or else whatever the payment, everything
mm.
about the all the queries have been sorted,
Yeah.
and I was very much happy with that support what I've got through the counselor, and that's how happened.
You wanted to go for an online.
Yeah, I was actually in decision was in between on going for a correspondence or else how. So, but the counselor really helped me out to figure out the difference, major difference between a correspondence like distance education as well as online degree.
Mm.
So I have understood that online degree is more or less like a regular MBA,
Right.
so it has a good weightage, and for a working professional it's really a best
Yeah.
solution, I can say, because we cannot run behind the colleges right now at this point, and maintaining the attendance, it's really a big headache. So I have chosen going for a choosing for online MBA.
Yeah.
So I was very much satisfied with the decision.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay. Great. Great talking to you. Thank you so much, Vani, for connecting with us and sharing your
Thank you. Thank you
feedback.
so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Bye bye.